Hi, I'm Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to protect your assets from gold diggers when it comes to a divorce process. I get this question quite a bit, and the purpose of today's video is to look at various tips that a person can implement to make sure that they protect their assets. Tip number one is to make sure that you buy enough assets before you get married. And the reason why that's important is because any assets that you buy before you get married is 100% yours, as long as your spouse's name is not listed under the asset and you are married out of community of property. Then under no circumstances can a gold digger take it away from you under divorce. The second important tip is to sign an antenuptial contract. An antenuptial contract is a contract entered into before marriage, which basically states that each party has their own assets, and upon a divorce, the assets cannot be given to the other party. That is an antenuptial contract. It's also known as being married out of community of property. Those are the two best suggestions that you can use to protect you from a spouse who's out just for your money during the divorce process. However, if you find yourself already married and you don't have an antenuptial contract, you are in a bit of a tight situation. Your best bet is to actually go through something called an uncontested divorce. An uncontested divorce is where you and your spouse, or ex-spouse for that matter, agree to finalize the divorce without a long and expensive divorce trial. The key with this approach, however, is to get a very skillful divorce attorney who can negotiate on your behalf. This means that you get someone who can convince your spouse that fighting actually doesn't benefit the both of y'all, and that it's better to agree to split the assets in a very smart way. Now, besides the previous tips that I've given earlier in this video, there are also some techniques which a person can use. However, they are unethical and illegal. For example, storing physical cash in a secure location and your spouse doesn't know about it, or opening up an offshore bank account without your spouse's knowledge and transferring money to that offshore bank account. You may be able to get away with these. However, if your spouse comes to know about it or the court comes to know about it, it can certainly be used against you. My suggestion is, if you're not married, get an ANC, get married out of community of property, and make sure you buy enough assets before you get married. Alternatively, if you are married already and you're married in community of property, your best bet is to actually go through an uncontested divorce. It'll save you a lot of emotional heartache and finance in the long run. If you need help in your particular situation, whether that's assistance with regard to the divorce process or with regard to asset protection, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.